Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in I would say 2 months. I apologize for that. But in the meantime, let me show you guys what's going on with my sister's truck. A lot has happened since the last time I uploaded. As you can see, this is her truck. The paint job is nice. You may notice that she got used tires. You can see there's not much tread left, but they are bigger. These are what, are these 31s?
Yes.
Yeah, the 31s. They kind of beef up the look. Stance wise, there's no stance. It's just flush with the body, maybe. Yeah.
Stance will be added soon.
Yeah, stance will be added soon. It's the same with this side. So, new tires. And we also had to replace the belt because we thought the belt was going out, but that wasn't the case. The case was the water pump needed to be replaced, so we done that. That's out of the way. And other than that, I don't think there's really much going on with this besides buying a fan because there's no AC in here. So yeah, and for today's video, it's gonna be like an update video along with maybe a time lapse of, you know, satisfying washing the truck. Hope you guys enjoy that. We got this car washing package for 20 bucks at Advanced Auto Parts. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I would love to be sponsored by you guys. So yeah. So we're just gonna start washing this, give you guys some time-lapse clips, and see what else there is. Okay. Yeah, go. More.
It's supposed to. Well, there goes all the soap, so splash out.
Give me this then. No, watch. That will wrap it up for this video. When we got done washing it, looks pretty much the same because there was dirt stuck under the clear coat and we spray can this. Right now, shining up the tires.
And I'm finishing the window here. So I got soap all over me.
Okay, so we're gonna end it off. See you guys in the next one.